Hello and welcome back to Biker Stuff. As you may know, due to YouTube demonetizing this channel, I no longer put the time into producing videos for it. But I do have two other channels. The first one is a replacement for this one and is called Biker Stuff 2. The second one is the KM90 Restoration channel, where I do exactly that. I have restored a 1976 KM90. I have a new project that I have started on Biker Stuff 2. I recently bought another Honda CBR400 RR, like the one I ride, but this one is in need of stripping down and restoring. And here it is. It is a 1992 NC29 model. As you can see, it is in need of a little work to get it ready for the roads, so please join me on Biker Stuff 2 to see how I get on. Thank you for watching. I know you liked it, so tell your friends and I'll see you here next time on Biker Stuff. I hope you liked that. I have selected another video for you here, or you can look at an entire playlist. If you want to subscribe, click here.